Welcome! We love everything art here. We wanted to show you this short video on how the coloring books are made. Let's start with the Fun Coloring Halloween activity book. It all starts with the idea, then very rough sketches of the page's layout. We have a map of Haunted Hollow and some of the places there. Starting with pencil sketches, each page is drawn out. The best results always come from drawing big shapes first, with pencil on a see-through tracing paper. By doing this, if a shape would work but needs adjustment, then the light pencil lines can be traced into a better shape. The best results always come from drawing big shapes first, with pencil on a see-through tracing paper. By doing this, if a shape would work but needs adjustment, then the light pencil lines can be traced into a better shape. A lot that has to do with professional drawings is sketching, sketching, and sketching, and erase, erase, and erase. If your shapes are good, then your drawing will be also. When your drawing is ready, it's put into Photoshop and inked over. From there, some of the characters are gathered and the cover is put together. This is where the whole picture is made into a color cover by using Photoshop coloring tools. Working on my computer with a special pen, I can work all the detail needed to make the cover eye-catching. I use a piece of grippy shelf liner to place over part of the screen so that I can lay my hand on the side as I color. Each character is colored on a layer in Photoshop, which would be like a piece of tracing paper in the real world. I can take each layer and use them separately. Later on, I'll be able to use them for advertisements and reels. I use darker shades of green on Boltilda's hair, masking off parts so that it's crisp looking. Working with the computer program is like working with the markers, and I use the color the same way as with the pages. Darker shades near or on the bottom to separate them from lighter areas. You can see how Boltilda's hair looks pushed in back of her neck and face because of the darker shades along the edge. By using a light blue to cover all of Whisperella, she will have a pale, ghosty look, but the white highlights will give her form and character. The final book cover. The size includes the front and back covers all in one piece of artwork. It takes 2 or 3 days of work as it is hand-drawn and colored by the artist and accurately represents the characters and how they look in the coloring pages inside. Now all the information is ready to go and the files are made up and checked about a dozen times. It's ready to upload and be published. Yay! During the upload process, it'll be checked again, and hopefully it will be good to color, experiment, and work the puzzles. You can make some crafts and a snack. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something about the process in creating a coloring book with hand-drawn art. It may look like I wave a magic wand and poof, there it is, but there's a lot of thought, creativity, eye, hand skills. It's fun work though, and the peace and satisfaction that comes with coloring. The pride and accomplishment in solving the activities are the best. Remember, this is a journey, a quest for more than just what is in the book. It gives you a chance to experiment, explore, and be who you want to be. Let's do this.
Don't you just love Foxlore?